going to make a DIY customized Rakhi. It's really very easy. Let's go on to the DIY. For the base you need a plastic cap. You can also use a cardboard. I'm going to draw the shape what I want for my Rakhi, and I'm going for a rectangular shape. You can go for any shape that you like. Now we are going to cut out this shape. Now I am going to give the finishing touch by cutting out all the excess. Now this is how our base looks. Here I am using an old red velvet cloth. Now I am going to cut it according to my base. Now I am going to keep the base on the cloth and mark it that it would make easy to cut it. Now we are going to cut the cloth according to the shape. This is how it looks after cutting it out. The thread of Rakhi, I am going to use Raksha Sutra. You can use any thread you like, but it should be thick. In the center of the thread and place the plastic cutout onto it. Now I am going to apply the glue. You can use fabric glue. I am using Dendrite. After applying the glue properly, we'll place the piece of cloth onto it and then press it down softly. Here I am going to use this lace to border the Rakhi. Cut the lace from center and into smaller pieces. I will place the lace all around the borders. Place the thick portion of the lace onto the threads. Here I am going to use golden letters to write my brother's name. You can write anything according to your wish. Voila, finally it's done. It's really looking beautiful. The second Rakhi, you need a photograph with your brother in small size. I'm going to use this ring shape accessory and cut my picture according to it. Similarly, as I have prepared my rectangular base, I have prepared my circular base and placed in the center of the thread and spread the glue onto the base. And place our picture on the top. And glue down the circular accessory and place it onto our picture. Similarly, we are going to paste the lace on the thread. Voila, the second one is also done.